just have to remember not to do that again tonight. Well, I mean, it's more a matter of saving energy. Wait, hello? Oh man, I really gotta cut off these late night binges a little earlier. I'm definitely not getting enough sleep. I swear I just heard someone. I guess my mom was right. I'm gonna start going mad if I stay in every night. Should probably start being healthier. Talk to you later. I'll do that tomorrow. What the lights off? Hello? Who's there? Look, this is my house. You cannot be here. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, please. Look, I don't know who you are, but please, we can look past this. We don't even have to get the cops involved. If you just come out now, peacefully, please just leave my home, please. Please. Please, you have to leave. Please. What do you want? What? What the...